Enjoy English learning.
Hey, look who finally decided to show up.
Excuse me, you're the one who's always busy.
Okay, fair enough. How have you been?
Just surviving, college is crazy.
I feel you. Work is no better.
Adulting is hard.
We should have stayed kids forever.
Exactly, no responsibilities, just fun.
Speaking of fun, let's go somewhere.
Yes. But where?
Movie.
Too long, I'm hungry.
Cafe then.
Perfect, coffee and food.
You and your food obsession.
Shut up, you love food too.
Fine, let's go.
Wait, I need a selfie first.
Why?
Memories, duh.
What are you ordering?
Pizza, extra cheese.
You always order the same thing.
And you always complain.
Fine, I'll get a burger.
Ooh, share your fries?
Only if you give me pizza.
Deal.
By the way, did you hear about Sam?
Oh, the engagement. Crazy, right?
Dude, we're getting old.
Stop saying that.
It's true, though.
Whatever, we still look young.
Because we have good genes.
Obviously, we're awesome.
Oh, I forgot to tell you something.
What? Tell me now.
I lost my wallet last week.
What? How?
I left it at the gym.
Did you get it back?
Yeah, someone returned it.
Wow, lucky.
I know, right?
That food was so good.
Yeah, I'm stuffed.
Let's walk a bit.
Good idea. Fresh air.
And I need to burn calories.
Too late for that.
Rude.
Just facts.
Whatever.
So, any new crushes?
Peeved, no time for that.
Liar.
Okay, maybe one.
I knew it.
But it's just a small crush.
Hey, remember our school trip?
OMG, yes, that was so fun.
I still have the pictures.
Send them to me.
They're embarrassing.
I don't care, send them.
Fine, fine.
We had so many crazy moments.
Yeah, I miss those days.
Same, life was simpler.
We need another trip soon.
Yes, let's plan something.
It's getting dark.
Yeah, time flies with you.
Of course, I'm awesome.
Says who?
Me.
Self-love is important.
Exactly.
Okay, drop me home?
Lazy as always.
Shut up and drive.
Fine, let's go.
Wait, one last selfie.
Again.
Yes, memories, remember?
Alright, make it quick.
Done, now let's go.
Here you go, home safe.
Thanks, bestie.
Anytime. Today was fun.
Yeah, let's do it again soon.
For sure, no excuses.
Promise.
Okay, get inside now.
Stop acting like my dad.
Someone has to.
Bye, idiot.
Bye, troublemaker.
Text me later.
Thanks for watching.